Nambar ke jing sakhi halor ke jingdan kam ki bakir ki ha kaliang wan pin biang ki kor ki bor ban shala ne kale air ring oxygen kham tam hakum gane ka por badang ling shop ka khnam covid-19 na kaliang ka we ka kin huan ka balatip kum ka nongmali infra private limited nari boy district kalala ban wanra ek wei pat kaliang ha ka ban pin biang ke jingdan kam oxygen lingba ka kor bala jer kerteng ka doctor oxygen ya ka bala thamu ban pin biang habaro ki jilla jong ka than chite lamingi Kumban kedau hang ni ka Nongmali Infra Private Limited kalala banwanra ada kini ki korban sam oxygen khamtam ki por bakar ke na ka benta ki tu ki nongpang ki beran kam karki ya ka jing chalan oxygen ya kini ki kor oxygen ki blapinan kam ru ha ki bebon tali ki jela lala ban pinbit pin biang na po kari South Korea ki belong ru ki basuk banra ban pinan kam la ne kita ki portable oxygen ka berap shibone ha ka pang ki shitam lada ki nongpang ki dan kam ya oxygen Yakini ka Nongmali Infra Private Limited ka badairu ka kinhuan ka balakmi do samla Alberto Nongsid na Pori Boy District ubakmi yakini ka kinhuan ulapan siya halor ki rukam pentre kami kini ki kor jang ka Dr. Oxygen ki balong ru ki basuk bah bar ki banyarap shikat day iki nongpang ki baran kami ka oxygen ha ki por bakir ki
kami ka Dr. Oxygen ka produk mi na yo remote berpunya hanya ko dalam ini ko mengalir ketika rekam jomne ka produk dalam mo hilang komponen ka frame ka electricity frame ka light dan ini produk beliau dan box ya dan dengan chemical aktif dari oxygen powder dari oxygen powder A oxygen powder B dan demonstrate ke dia nanti kita blok ini itu semua first happen check sebelum kadang level ini kalau ini negara ini blok kadang likely portion A B C portion A kadang level portion B kadang level portion C kadang level यहाँ बंद है तब तो लोग लेवल बढ़ाए हमें को पढ़ो Inject level oxygen powder B. Here in the balloon. That's how the oxygen is generated. Matang imbu hempok sama dengan container. Ada kita hitam. Ini di sebelah kami ya. How the oxygen is generated.
Nagaliang Ubhara Parik Project Development Consultant jong Nongmali Infra Private Limited ulapan shairu halor ka jingmentoy jong kanika kor.
Oxygen has been a major problem during the COVID crisis. And a lot of people have died because of shortage of oxygen. Getting cylinders is difficult. Cylinders are short shelf life. Stocking cylinders are a big problem also. So this problem was faced across the country and across the world. In South Korea, a portable oxygen generator had been developed, in which you don't need any electricity, you don't need any cylinders, and it just generates oxygen through a very simple process of water and 2 sachets. 2 sachets are oxygen sachets, and this will give you oxygen for about 40 minutes to 1 hour. The purity of the oxygen is 99%. Now, this has been tested, tried, brought from South Korea, tried in India. 400 pieces have been sold, distributed in Maharashtra with high success in other states also. And it is a lifesaver. Anyone can just put water, 2 sachets, and get oxygen right away till 99% purity of oxygen. This was not available in the Northeast, and right now what is known as Dr. Oxygen Nano Generators will be available throughout the 8 states of Northeast, with this office being the distribution center for the Northeast. So we say that not only in COVID, but in other circumstances where there are accidents, where there are childbirths, where there are heart attacks, where immediate oxygen is required, it is very simple to carry. You see that box, it's got everything inside one small box. It's not even 1 feet by 1 feet, and very light. Anyone can use it, even a child can use it, and it saves lives. It's a lifesaver. Not only in COVID, but in any other emergency circumstances, this product is a lifesaver. And especially in the Northeast, where it's hilly areas, it's forests, it's difficult roads, transporting oxygen cylinders, transporting concentrators. Concentrators are useless because electricity is a problem, but even transporting cylinders and all, it's difficult. This anyone can just carry in their hand, take it, and give oxygen. Within 2 minutes, a patient is getting oxygen and a life is saved.